こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Muu-Muu is going to show you how to enjoy Japanese mochi. Mochi is a traditional Japanese rice cake made from glutinous rice. It has a very unique, chewy, sticky, elastic texture which can be quite divisive for non-Japanese people. Either you love or hate it. In the West, many people think of mochi as a little round-shaped sweet. But when we say mochi in Japan, it usually implies plain mochi, either freshly pounded or like this. It's not a soap. It's called kiri mochi, which means cut mochi. It's dried and shelf-stable packed mochi, easily available at Japanese food shops or online. Mochi can be eaten plain or used as an ingredient in various dishes, both savory and sweet. Muu-Muu is going to show you a couple of traditional and popular ways to eat mochi. Okay, let's get started. First, we are going to make Isobe Mochi. It's grilling kiri mochi, seasoning it with soy sauce, and wrapping it in nori seaweed. Simple and yummy. Cut nori seaweed into strips. Spread a little bit of vegetable oil in a frying pan. Place kiri mochi and cook over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes or until golden and a bit puffed up. Flip and cook the other side for 4 to 5 minutes or until golden and puffed up. Traditionally, mochi is grilled on a wire mesh in Japan, but cooking with a frying pan is easy and works well too. Place 1 tablespoon of soy sauce on a plate. Coat the mochi with soy sauce. And wrap it with a nori strip. Dekita! Next, Kinako Mochi. Kinako is roasted soybean flour with a slightly sweet and nutty flavor, commonly used in Japanese cuisine, especially for dessert. After the mochi is prepared, just roll it in sugared kinako. That's all you need to do for making Kinako Mochi. This traditional Japanese dessert might sound strange, but it's comforting and yummy. In a bowl, place 1.5 tablespoons of kinako, 1 tablespoon of custard sugar, and a tiny bit of salt, and mix. Cut 2 kiri mochi in half and place a microwavable dish. Add water just to cover the mochi. Don't need to cover the dish. And microwave for about 2 minutes and 15 seconds or until the mochi is soft. Muu-Muu is using an 800 watt microwave. If your wattage is different, adjust the time. If you don't have a microwave, boil water in a pan just to cover the mochi. When it's boiled, place the mochi in the boiling water and turn off the heat. Cover with a fitted lid and wait for about 8 minutes or until soft. Take the prepared soft mochi out, roll it in a sugared kinako, and serve. It will harden when it's cold, so serve them while they are warm. Muu-Muu is also making Matcha Kinako Mochi now. Mix 1 tablespoon of kinako, 1 tablespoon of custard sugar, and 1 teaspoon of matcha green tea powder. And roll the prepared soft mochi in it. Matcha's slightly bitter flavor and earthiness pair well with kinako. If you are a matcha lover like me, you will like this flavor. できた! Muu-Muu, how does it taste? Okay, Muu-Muu said. These traditional mochi snack and desserts bring back memories of her time in Japan. She loves and enjoys the mochi texture and feels nostalgic. Thank you for watching Furi Kitchen. ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye bye. またね。